Wearing foundation in summer can get gross, but there are a few products that can keep your makeup from melting no matter how hot it gets. Hey guys, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60. If you're like me and you hate wearing foundation, Jane Iredale makes some fabulous products. I'm a big fan of Pure Pressed Base Mineral Foundation. It's lightweight, without any of the added ingredients that break you out. A lot of dermatologists recommend this because it's oil-free, with clean ingredients, and has SPF 20 sun protection. I'm skeptical of beauty balm creams, but this Amarte Natural Finish BB Cream is a light tinted moisturizer and sunscreen all in one. It has SPF 36, and the best part is the company says you can sleep in this makeup and it still won't block pores or damage skin. I feel it's a safe bet for summer skincare. If your skin tends to break out, try Clinique's Acne Solutions makeup. It helps reduce zits and neutralizes redness. Don't forget to use a primer before applying makeup. Smashbox's Photo Finish is non-greasy, oil-free, and it helps set your makeup so it won't melt off on steamy days. Look good this summer with makeup that protects your look when the temperature rises. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.